Hi, in this video I'll quickly show you how to install Shipturtle on Shopify, choose a plan and what happens after installation. Shipturtle is available as a one-click install from the Shopify App Store. You just need to click on apps, search for our app Shipturtle, click on the app and you can install it from here. As you can see, we have been informed about the 14-day free trial that is ending on 15th of January. We need to approve this permission. As you can see, it is installed and it's directly connected to the Shipturtle app now. You need to enter your basic details, your name, your mail ID, and your contact number. You need to select the kind of marketplaces that you're building. You can either book a demo or you can take an onboarding tool through the app. Once you log in this app, you can go to subscription and billing and select a plan that is suitable for your particular business and go forward with that billing. For more step-by-step guidance, you can follow our onboarding guides or reach out to our support team by booking a demo. Thank you.